Hello, money magnets. Are you looking for a way to write a blog post faster and with less effort? Well, I've got the perfect tool for you. And yes, it is ChatGPT. In this video, I'm going to show you how to write a blog post in minutes using this amazing AI powered tool. You'll be amazed by how quickly and easily you can write a post with ChatGPT. So if you're ready, let's get started. But before all of this, if you're interested in getting to know about the best place to get your AI information or the latest AI information, do sign up with Synthetic Mind. It is a newsletter that sends you every week what is the highlights of AI. So if you are interested, the link is in the description. Check it out. You will not regret it. Now let's get started for you. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do in order for you to write a powerful blog post is to start off by thinking of an idea or what you want to write. So for me, I would like to start writing about cat grooming. In order for you to start, you can start by asking ChatGPT to give you a list of keywords for cat grooming. So think of this like it is a big topic and it will give you those keywords that is a subset of this big topic. For example, here are some keywords that are commonly associated with cat grooming. So you have brush, you have comb, you have shampoo, you have trim, cut, clipper, and whatnot. So I kind of like to create a blog post associated with nail clipping for cats. So the second what you need to do is to do this prompt that says, give me LSI keywords for nail clipping for cat. So LSI keywords are namely keywords that are closely or similarly connected in context, and they can be used for SEO. So now we are actually diving deeper into that particular topic. So it will give you this particular information that you can start creating your outline. All right. So once you have this, you can ask it to create a blog outline based on the keywords. There are some keywords here that you may want to ignore or exclude, so you can just pick and match only the ones that you want. And what ChatGPT does, it is going to give you the possible blog outlines. So these are all the possible blog outlines that you can have. So next is for you to create a blog post based on a blog outline. You can use it like this. Write me a blog post based on a blog outline, and you copy this at the top and paste it here. And then it will start creating you a blog post right about here. There are some times where it will stop halfway. That is when you should ask it to please continue. As you can see, determine and it stop. And when I ask it to continue, it starts continuing it from here. Once you got your blog post, this is a very crucial step here, guys, is to ask it to rephrase this article in second person in a style of a funny pet lover. It can be any style you want it to be. It can be any person, but normally when you're writing a blog post or you're doing a landing page, it's always much better to write something in second person. Therefore, it will be far more effective than you're writing it in first person or third person. Very important. What it's going to do is that it will rewrite the article in the tone of the style that you have asked in the beginning. And this is the tone and style that it will write for you. But this is very crucial, yeah, guys. What it gives you is some sort like a basis for you to improve along. Because as you can see, Originality AI is a plagiarism and an AI detector. I've pasted that particular article, and this is what you have gotten. So if you are a serious content writer, I do suggest you to use Originality AI. Even though I have asked it to write this article in second person in a style of a funny cat lover, it is written pretty much very, very human-like. As you can see, hey there, fellow cat lover, that's very human. But still, if for you to prevent plagiarism and AI detection, it is still best for you to write the article in your own words. This is very important because even though ChatGPT has written this in the style of whatever you want it to be, it still gets detected. This means that originality AI is able to detect changes from ChatGPT itself. All right, let me show you an example. So this is the newly fine-tuned copy by ChatGPT. I'm going to copy here and going to paste this here. I'm actually spending 12 credits for you guys. So make sure to like and subscribe into this channel because I'm sharing you all this good content. So it's best for you to keep up to date. So now I click scan now and it's currently scanning. And there you go. I've detected it in the beginning and I've tried it to rescan again and the data shows very accurate 50% original, 50% AI and 3% plagiarism. And it even gives you the website that ChatGPT has plagiarized from. This is the reason why it is very important for you to get originality AI if you are a serious content writer. Now, once you've gotten your article, you can ask ChatGPT to give you 5 intriguing clickbait titles based on the article above. And these are some of the titles which you can use for your blog posts. Other than that, you can ask ChatGPT to give you 5 meta descriptions based on the articles above. And these are some of the meta descriptions that you can use for your blog post. Meta descriptions means is that when you search in Google, you'll see the particular title, and down there, there's small snippets of information. That is what meta description is. So yeah, that's how you can use ChatGPT to create you an article in minutes. But remember, that is just a framework that you have to use and improve and rewrite based on your own style. Because I've shown you that ChatGPT, even though it has rephrased the article, it can be still detected by originality AI, an AI detector. So it is very, very crucial that you make your edits. But still, it does save me a lot of time. And I do totally believe ChatGPT will save you a lot of time in terms of idea generation. It completes probably 60 to 70% of your work. You just need to put in the other 30% of your work to get things done. Now, if you like more content like this, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And of course, if you want to stay up to date to AI tools and what's happening in the AI space, do consider subscribing on Synthetic Mind. It's a newsletter that gets you all the AI information to your inbox once a week. So if you're interested, sign up for that. I place the link in the description below and I'll see you in the next one. Remember guys, although these will help you get work done, don't copy and paste. AI detectors will know that it's been done by ChatGPT. So it's a no-no. Classic case, take it as a framework, not your work. Bye.